Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you Odalit teeth restoration powder review legit or scam. You will see I am in the Reddit where people spread their opinion regarding this. Can Odalit teeth restoration powder really fix your teeth? This product claims to repair enamel, whiten teeth and reduce sensitivity without expensive dental treatments. However, many customers are questioning its legitimacy. It is being sold under different names, and dental experts have not provided solid evidence to back up its claims. So, before you spend your hard earned money, you need to read these shocking details. So, you will need to avoid these type of products and read the independent reviews carefully related to this, and also read the advantages and disadvantages of the product very carefully. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you.